In this video, we will discuss Accounting 1, Reports, Reports for AR/AP Management, AR/AP Aging Report, and AR/AP Aging Details Report. Firstly, we will discuss AR/AP Aging Report. In this report, you can verify for how long the AR and AP amount of your customers and vendors has aged. In the search template, you can set the base date, and if you use Management by Department and Project feature, you can set the corresponding department and project. An account field is a required field in this report. So enter an account code that is related to AR and AP management. You can select accounts payable or accounts receivable, depending on which data you will view. And in PIC for Customer Vendor field, if you connected a PIC for each customer and vendor in Customer Vendor Setup menu, you can use this field to search by a particular PIC and view the data entered with the selected PIC. And if you click Search button, in the search results, you can click on each customer vendor code and link with another report. In the pop-up window, Ledger 2 report will appear, and you can view data by each account code and by each customer and vendor. And you can also modify the date range. In the search results, you can see balance column and aging column. So in balance column, the balance as of the date of the search template will be displayed. And in aging field, the number of months for which the corresponding customer's AR amount has not been paid since generated will be displayed. Then we're going to move on to the next report, AR/AP Aging Details. In the search template, you can select Type field between Receivable and Payable, and set the search conditions in the same way. You can set the base date and Department and Project field if necessary, and select a PIC if you set the PIC of each customer vendor in the Setup menu, and in Others field at the bottom, you can view values in thousands. And if you check with zero balance option, you can include the customers and vendors whose balance is zero in the search results. Then I will search by receivable type. In AR Aging Details screen, you can see various columns such as Credit Limit column, where the credit limit amount that you set in the Customer Vendor Setup menu is displayed, and Total Receivables column, where the total of notes receivable and accounts receivable is displayed. And in Accounts Receivable Status section on the right side, the history of the past 3 months as of the base date will be listed, and any data older than 3 months will be summed and displayed in Others column. And if you enter a receipt, it will deduct the oldest receivable amount first, and it will not deduct a particular month's receivable amount, so please note. And in the extreme right side, you can see the telephone number of each customer. If a customer's receivable has aged for too long, or if a customer has too much receivable amount, you can verify the details by calling the customer with the displayed phone number. And please note that you can edit the report screen as well by clicking Option button and going to Template Setup. And you can use Payable Type Report in the same way. If you search by Payable Type, you can view the report in the same way. The only difference is the base account code, so please note.